Unit 2 Life of Animals. In last two classes, we learnt about group behavior in animals, adaptation in animals, and structure of insects. In today's class, let us learn about special sense in some animals, animals active at night, parental care in animals. Let us start to learn. Special senses in ants and bats. Some animals have well developed special senses. These special senses help the animals experiences the world around them. For example, if we place a few sugar cubes in a plate, after some time we can able to see many ants visiting the plate. How they know the sugar cubes are there? They have some extra special sense. Because of that, they can able to find where is their food. Now let us see about ants. Ants have sense of sight, smell, taste and touch. Ants have organs of smell and taste in their antenna. Where do they have? They have their taste, smell, everything in their antenna. They feel the vibration in the ground through their feet. How they know? Through their feet. Ants have good sense of smell. With the help of their smelling capacity, they can find their food. Next, bats. Bats have good sense of hearing. Ants have good sense of smell. Bats have good sense of hearing. They use sound navigation. They produce ultrasonic sound which help the bats find their way at night and find out the objects on their path. Because of this, bats won't hit any human being or any material because they are producing the ultrasonic sound. This is called echolocation. So what it is called? Echolocation. So bats never hit any human beings or any objects. Vampire bats feed on the blood of their prey. Prey na irai. What they are eating, that is called prey. Vampire bats have heat detecting nose which allow them to find their prey. So in vampire bats, which is helpful for them? Their heat detecting nose. It is very useful for them to find their prey. Animals active at night. Some animals sleep in the daytime and they are very active at night. A good example is cat at your home. Not only small animals but also some birds are active at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. Example, owl. So some animals, they will sleep in the daytime and they are very active at the night. Example, they are all called as a nocturnal animals and the example, owl. Nocturnal creatures generally have highly developed sense of hearing, smell and specially adapted eyesight because they are working in the night time. So they need some special eyesight. Some examples of nocturnal animals are given below. Parental care. Efforts taken by the adult to take care of their young ones is called parental care. So what is parental care? Efforts taken by an adult to take care of their young ones is called parental care. Parental care increases the survival rate and improves the quality of young one. So what is the necessity for the parental care? It increases the survival rate. Survival rate na உயிரோட வாழறதுக்கான தகுதியை அதிகப்படுத்துது. Next, the quality of young ones. It also increases the reproductive success of animals. So parental care also is very one of important thing. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is best known for parental care. Female kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. The pouch provides a safe place for the young ones to stay until they grow large enough to survive outside on their own. So until its growth, the mother kangaroo keep the baby kangaroo in its pouch. The pouch is in its stomach, so it will keep it as a bag, and they will put their young ones in the bag and they will feed and take care of that. So kangaroo is the best known for the parental care. Next, cow. Cow gives milk and protects its calf from the enemies. Mother and calf communicate with each other through the sound. Cows respond to the calls from their own mother by calling back. So this we can observe very easily. When the mother cow calls the calf, again it will give the sound back. It is like our human beings, isn't it? So it's very good to see. Human beings. Parental care is very well known in human beings. Humans promote and support the physical, emotional, social and intellectual development of the child. The human infant or baby is completely helpless at the birth. Mother takes good care of the baby by feeding, helping to sleep and making comfortable with clothes, etc. Through proper parenting, the child is taught whatever needs to live successfully in the society. So when the human baby is born, it is very helpless. It cannot do anything. The mother take care of their baby and makes all the comfortable things for her. Okay children, bye. That's all this lesson over.